How we doing? How we doing? Today is Wednesday, the 12th of June, 2024. Just doing a real estate tap-in with you for today. So a lot of the inflation data is coming in, and it looks pretty positive right now. Kind of came in right at or just slightly below what a lot of economists we're looking for. We've had 2 months of declining inflation, which overall is good. But what probably is going to happen, or what most economists are saying are going to happen, is that you may see somewhat of a drop in the interest rates. So if that happens, that's going to give a boost or a tailwind to asset prices. So and if they do come down, you will also see more demand, especially when it comes to real estate, go up. So it's looking pretty good for real estate over the next few months, depending on where you're at and what your situation is. But you can probably see some of those asset prices start to tick back up if there is a reduction in the rate. There'll probably be more demand out there, and we have increasing supply. So when it comes to real estate notes and what we look to do, we have a pretty good outlook based on what potentially could happen. So like I've been saying, you want to try to look into real estate notes, learning how to create notes, using private money to create notes on properties. With what is potentially going to happen, it's going to probably have a good effect on the real estate market. So, we don't know, what's going to happen in 6 months from now. But for right now, things probably are going to remain steady or even tick up. And then when you're on the note side of the business, you have a better chance of withstanding any type of, downturn, because you have a lot more control over what you can do when you are the bank. So again, investing in notes, learning how to buy them, create them, and potentially sell them, is a good strategy for right now, and that's what we try to do. So if you want more information, you can always go to the YouTube channel, Abundant Capital Group. You'll see videos there, a bunch of videos that we've done, and we're going to start to do more deal videos. Just saw a deal today, came across the desk where we could use private money to give someone about a 12 to 15% return for the next 60 months for us to enter this particular deal. And we could also talk about some type of equity share on it as well. If we can do better on the interest rate, we'd be willing to do that. But the deal is projected in 10 years to have a total value, a total profit of over $115,000. And that's usually, kind of like the time frame that these particular deals, when you create the note, they go for. People usually stay in the house about 8 to 10 years before they either, sell the property or potentially want to refinance. So, we'll be posting that to the YouTube channel later on this evening, so you can check for it later on this evening or tomorrow. But we'll show you the breakdown on it. And if anybody's interested, reach out to us, give us a call. Let's see if it might be something you want to do. All right, have a good one. Talk to you soon.